your riders, take a step behind the line. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting off with Autumn, 272 is finished for a and they're able to win 1640. 64 else get cubed. I think they did. 341 also, I think, is scoring cubes on all three of the nodes. They also engaged with the charge station. 272. 341 get over, getting a 272 getting a cube, scoring in the top node. 1640 also scoring in the top node. Assuming it's completely a reload. 272 also getting a cone. 1640 also getting a cone. 341 getting another middle ball. The links are insane. 272 and 1640 are putting cones on the top node right next to each other. Teamwork, it's so cute to watch. Ooh, I could be almost all over. I hope that doesn't happen to them. They were in the team. 2607 and 341. Yes, 341 is trying to score another cone on the top node to create their links, and they were able to create a link. What? 17's well with things playing defense, and they are doing just well. Yes, good confidence. 1640 scoring another cone on the top node. 272 is scoring another cone as well. 533, another cube. 2607, a cube as well. Look at their limbs, ladies and gentlemen. Look at these limbs. 272 and 1640 both have cubes. Very cute. 533 around. 341 getting another cone. 1640 getting a cone. And we are in a final stretch. Let's see what teams are going to get onto their charge stations and engage. 17, 12, and 16, are on the charge station, but can they engage? 533 and 2607 and 341 are trying to get a choke out. Oh, they do, and they do! Inside of a few minutes. It's maybe going to happen in the last 10 seconds. Let's see. Probably not. 2,